Hey everyone, it's a great day to open up a pack of basketball cards. 1992-93, Topps Stadium Club, Series 2. Looking for that Shaquille O'Neal rookie card, maybe even a Beam Team. And there's a Michael Jordan card in this series as well we can find. Let's rip it open and see what we get. We got Bryant Stith, Matt Geiger, Dwayne Coswell, Dave Jamerson, Sam Mack. There you go. Anthony Cook, Rick Mahorn. Here's our membership form. Not going to fill that out. Mark Randall, Mark Jackson. We got Todd Day, draft pick. Charles Smith, Mike Sanders. We got a Tim Hardaway, okay. And a David Robinson. That's a nice looking card. We're going to end with Anthony Peeler. All right, we got the Admiral. That's a good card. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. We do this every day, twice a day.